Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will be guiding you through how to use the Liebowitz Social Anxiety Scale. Firstly, what is social anxiety or social phobia? Social anxiety or social phobia is a common mental health condition characterized by an overwhelming fear of social situations and interactions. Individuals with social anxiety experience intense anxiety and distress when faced with situations that involve social scrutiny, judgment, or the possibility of embarrassment or humiliation. The fear in social anxiety extends beyond mere shyness or nervousness. It can significantly impact a person's daily life, making seemingly ordinary tasks like speaking in public, initiating conversations, attending school gatherings, or even eating in front of others sources of extreme distress. These individuals often anticipate adverse outcomes and overestimate the potential for criticism or rejection, leading them to avoid or endure such situations with immense discomfort. The Liebowitz Social Anxiety Scale is a widely recognized and validated assessment tool used to measure the severity of social anxiety disorder. It helps individuals, mental health professionals, and researchers gain insights into the extent of social anxiety symptoms and their impact on various social situations. The LSAS consists of two main subscales, the fear subscale and the avoidance subscale. To use our Liebowitz Social Anxiety Scale, follow these steps. Download our Liebowitz Social Anxiety Scale from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. For each of the 24 situations, individuals rate their level of fear and avoidance on a scale from 0 to 3. The fear subscale assesses the anticipated anxiety during each situation, while the avoidance subscale measures the degree to which the individual avoids the problem due to stress. Participants provide ratings for both fear and avoidance for each situation, reflecting their experiences and feelings. Here are some examples of the items on the questionnaire: telephoning in public, participating in small groups, eating in public spaces. Calculate the total score by summing up each situation's fear and avoidance ratings. Higher full scores indicate more severe social anxiety symptoms. A higher LSAS score suggests greater social anxiety severity. This score can be used to evaluate the impact of social anxiety and track changes over time. Consulting a qualified mental health professional is crucial for accurate interpretation and further guidance based on the individual score. Here is a sample of our Liebowitz Social Anxiety Scale, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our Liebowitz Social Anxiety Scale, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.